Ever wondered how you could grow your wealth, even with just a few dollars a week? In today's world, investing can seem daunting, especially for beginners. But what if there was a simple, automated way to invest your spare change? Enter Raiz, a unique investment platform that takes the complexity out of investing. How Raiz works. Micro-investing. Roundup. Raiz allows you to round up your everyday purchases. For instance, if you spend $3.45, Raiz rounds it up to $4 and invests the extra 55 cents. Regular contributions. You can also set up regular contributions, no matter how small. Diversification. ETF-based. Raiz invests your money into exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are investment funds that hold a basket of assets, like stocks and bonds. Global exposure. These ETFs provide exposure to global markets, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. Automated investing. Set it and forget it. Once you've set up your account, Raiz takes care of the rest. It automatically invests your spare change and rebalances your portfolio. Dollar cost averaging. Raiz uses a strategy called dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This can help reduce the impact of one market volatility. Benefits of using Raiz. Accessibility. Raiz is designed for everyone, regardless of their income level or investment knowledge. Affordability. You can start investing with just a few dollars. Simplicity. Raiz takes the guesswork out of investing, making it easy to get started. Diversification. By investing in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, you can spread your risk. Automation. Raiz handles the investment process, so you don't have to. Common questions. Is Raiz safe? Yes, Raiz is a regulated financial institution. Your investments are protected by Australian law. How much can I earn? The potential returns on your investment will depend on market performance. However, over the long term, investing in a diversified portfolio can lead to significant growth. Are there any fees? Raiz charges a low annual management fee. Raiz is a powerful tool that can help you build wealth over time. By automating your investments and diversifying your portfolio, you can achieve your financial goals. So, why not take the first step towards a brighter financial future? Sign up for Raiz today and start investing your spare change. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.